Today, I'll show you how to create a stylish camera shutter click transition, the kind that looks like a flash just went off, giving your video a photo snap vibe. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure you have two clips placed next to each other on the timeline. Now, you'll notice a small white box between the two clips. Tap on that to open up the transition menu, scroll through the categories and tap on the one called Distortion. Here, you'll find the transitions named Shutter and Shutter 2. Both give that classic photo flash or camera snap effect. Feel free to preview them to see which one fits your video's vibe best. Once you've picked the one you like, use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the shutter transition appears. A shorter duration gives a quick snap, while a longer one creates a smoother effect. When you're happy with it, tap the checkmark to apply it, and that's it. You've just added a camera shutter click transition in CapCut Mobile. It's a small effect, but it can really add a professional polish to your edits. If this helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut Mobile tricks.